Hello, and welcome to this lesson on how loud is my Mr. Cool mini split. Some of you have asked in the community, how loud is this thing? Should I install it in my room? Is it gonna ruin my soundproofing? And in this video, I'm gonna answer that by showing you some of the actual live footage of me recording with my Decibel app on my phone, how loud this mini split is up close to it, from my listening position, and then also in the silent mode and regular functioning mode. I also, as a bonus, I'm just going to show you how loud my ventilation system is, which is separate. That's where my ERV, energy recovery ventilator, is bringing in fresh air, pumping it through my baffle box and coming into my studio. That is extremely quiet, and I just want to prove to you that this system works very well. So, all that said, before I jump in, if you're on this journey trying to figure out how to build your soundproof room, how to build a soundproof studio, either way, check out my free soundproofing workshop. This will go over everything you need to know to build a soundproof home recording studio. And it will definitely help you with the entire ERV and HVAC thing, which a lot of people struggle with. To check that out, you can watch it right away at soundproofyourstudio.com/workshop. That's soundproofyourstudio.com/workshop. All right, let's jump into this lesson on how loud is my Mr. Cool mini split. Here's with it on at the listening position without silent mode on, so this is normal functioning. Now I'm going to turn silent mode on. Now I'm going to go right up next to it. This is going to be like right below it. All right, now I'm going to turn the whole thing off. So here is my ventilation system. This is about a foot away from the vent where the air is coming in. Here we are now about 5 feet away from this vent. And here we are at my mix position. The mini split is off, so this is just the ventilation system. Say my computer is the loudest thing here. All right, I hope you found those videos helpful and insightful with giving you a little bit of science behind me just saying, hey, it's pretty quiet. And just so you guys know, when you're down in that range of 30 decibels, that is the goal for a recording studio. Anywhere from like 25 to 30 dB is going to be quiet enough to do most recording work. You can always turn the mini split off and it's not a big deal. You'll get the maximum amount of quiet, and then you could turn it back on if you're doing something really, really quiet. In my experience recording professionally here in Nashville, I keep it on all the time. I've got a good amount of space, maybe 8 to 9 feet between me and the mini split, and it's higher up. So if it was like right next to my head, I might turn it off more often. But keep that in mind as you're installing this. If I were to do it again, I might consider using a ducted mini split and running it through its own baffle box, or trying to create a system where I have the ERV and the mini split in the same system and talking with a professional of how to do that. The reason the Mr. Cool mini split works so well, however, is that it is far cheaper than hiring an HVAC specialist. This can be done with some handyman skills. You can install the Mr. Cool mini split yourself, and therefore you could spend around $1,500 with the Mr. Cool, or spend upwards of $5,000 to $6,000, $7,000 installing a mini split ducted system in your home studio. So you have to weigh the pros and cons of your own budget, and I know many of you out there have smaller budgets, so the Mr. Cool mini split is by far your best option. I hope this video was helpful. Again, if you want to learn more about soundproofing, check out that Soundproof workshop. That is going to be at soundproofyourstudio.com/workshop. That's soundproofyourstudio.com/workshop. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you all next week with another soundproofing video.